Did we shoot turkey today?
Yeah.
Was it awesome? Let's go get the truck. May 8th, and Waylonn and Wyatt and I are in the blind. We've been working some birds all morning. There's about 5 toms gobbling behind us. Hopefully, they break their strut and come on in. Waylonn's napping, thankfully, and Wyatt is playing the snake game. Sounds like they're getting closer. We'll have to wait and see. No. Sit. Don't move. Stay there. Don't move. Okay. They're gonna be here any second. Stoned him, baby. We did it, buddy. We did it. Yes. Waylonn, we just shot one. Let's go. Come on, go get him. Go get him. Come on. Yes. He's out there. Let's go check him out.
Can I see?
Yeah, let's go. Just woke Waylonn up with the gun. Oh my gosh. Yes, baby. Yeah, baby. Did you step on his head? Is he got blood? Check him out. Oh man, yeah. That's a good one. Yeah, keep your foot on him.
Wait, Waylonn.
Waylonn, we shot a turkey. Waylonn's still sleepy. This one's going in your room, buddy. Yes.
Hey,
Smoke City. Oh my gosh. Here, let's send a Snapchat to Papa. Here.
Oh wow. That is amazing.
oh, I like this turkey, Nicola. Nicola, why are you such a fool?
Huh? Why what?
Nicola? That's weird. So low. Now why is this turkey so low? So tiny.
No, wait. I don't think he's as big as Wyatt's though. That's for sure.
Hammered one. Waylonn and I are gonna head back to the truck to get the truck, and then Wyatt's gonna sit back and watch the turkey, make sure it doesn't go anywhere, and then we're gonna celebrate, take some pictures,
my turkey.
and get Waylonn's turkey all loaded up in the truck.
Nicola.
What a morning! What a morning! All right, now sting him. We'll sling him over. Okay, 1, 2. All right, take him on home. Look, what a great morning. so fortunate to have a place so close to home to hunt, drag the kids out. And that's 2 hunts so far this year we've been successful on out of 3 hunts I've dragged them out with. So we've been pretty fortunate, and I could not be happier. There's something about spending time in the outdoors with your kids and watching them grow and learn and experience new things. So if anybody has the opportunity to ever get their kids in the outdoors to mushroom hunt or turkey hunt or just walk in the woods, I highly encourage it. I think the bond that I'm creating with my kids is going to last a lifetime. Family that hunts together stays together, and these boys can't wait to get back out in the woods.